Hello guys, almost on daily basis I am stumbling upon new and novel ideas around the application from generative AI. This new tool which you can readily access really takes it to another level. All you need to do is to upload any photos of any dresses or outfits, and then it is going to check that outfit and let you know the shops which are selling it or the stores which might be selling or similar products or the same products. Let's try it out and see how it works. I'll be uploading various male and female dresses from across the world. Some are professional, some are weird. So let's try out how it works. So, and I'll drop the link to it in video's description too, so don't worry about it. um, and if you want to do it now, that is shop.look.ai. Okay, now let's click on this upload icon, select the outfit from your local system. Let me go there and select one of a professional dress like this. There you go, it is searching, and there you go. So you can get it from Nordstrom and various other places, and I will let you be the judge. So this is a professional male dress with very normal colored shirt and stuff. You can also crop the image, you can change it, or if you want you can, I mean, like, you can also do something like that, this, and delete, and it will crop it. And there you go. So you can, for example, click here and it will take you to H&M's website, and I think they might be getting some commission. I'm not sure. I'm not going to say it, but maybe. Anyway, quite close, I would say, especially some of the male dresses, but I don't see any very close similarity. Anyway, so let's remove image, upload maybe a Pakistani dress. It's a lady's Pakistani dress. So let's see, it is able to, should be interesting. Nope, I don't see anything. Maybe not really. So it seems it is only focused on, yeah, this one looks quite close. This more like looks like an Indian dress, but yeah. So this Free People, the second in this bottom row, this is a close enough, I would say, but not that close. It's not a similar dress which it found. It's a printed one, but not really. Anyway, remove image, and then let's go with another female professional dress. Let's see, should be easy to find. Yeah, this one is actually, one thing is good that this dress is for bit extra size, and it has come up with this, some of the extra sizes here, which is quite, I would say, close. I'm not sure why this Forever 21 is here, but other than that, it is uh, quite close. I would say this one, the last one in the last row, seems quite similar to me, and it is available at Madewell. Anyway, let's try out another dress. So I'm going to go with another female dress. Let's see. There you go. Yeah, this is quite awesome. So, first row, all of them, because this is one. I'm not sure what this dress is called, but this dress is. Uh, I think these are more like matching images, I should say. Awesome, beautiful. Okay, let's try out another one. So this time I'm just giving it a weird dress from one of the catwalks. Yeah, this looks similar from the first row, last one. Because if you look at this one, this is just simply weird dress. Now this one looks similar, and then the second from here, the Nordstrom one, is quite good, but no image. I don't think so because it's not really. I don't think so that it's possible to find that weird image anywhere. Anyway, let's try out one final image. Now the dress which I'm going to upload now is called as lungi, and there are various names of it. This dress is primarily found in Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, and few other countries, but mainly South Asia. Let's see. It's a male dress, not a female one, but let's see. Should be fun. Yep. So Bloomingdale's is also selling a lungi, but that is for the girls. That is skirt. So it's not a skirt, by the way. It's lungi. And then I don't see any. Okay, it would be fun to just give it some sort of guidance. Anyway, but you can see that how interesting this tool is. that you can find similar dresses. Maybe I think it is more American focused or Western world focused. So because some of the dresses, like the one which I showed you, it was pretty spot on in finding it, but not so much so in the South Asian ones. Anyway, here is another idea for an e-commerce website, which and they can embed this Gen AI tool into their website so that people could search the relevant dress and then just order it from there. Anyway, that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on it, and if you're aware of any similar tool, please put them in the comments, and I'll be happy to review it. And I'll drop the link to this in video's description too. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please subscribe and do me a personal favor and share this among your network, as this helps a lot. Thanks for watching.